How to cancel Rex flight. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Rex flight. So how do you go about it? It's very simple. The first step is for you to log in into your Rex account, just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, scroll down to the section where you can see book flights and then manage bookings. So click on that. So by clicking on the manage bookings option, you'll be taken to the manage booking page where you'll be required to enter in your booking reference that was sent to you by booking your flight, your first name as seen on your flight, as well as your last name. Then click on retrieve booking. By clicking on retrieve booking, you'll be taken to the page where you can see the flight that you would like to cancel. So once you're on the flights page, select the option to cancel. You see the option there beside edit. Select it and then follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You must note that cancellation fees may apply depending on your fare type. Okay, once you see the fee, ensure you pay the fee. If not, your flights will not be cancelled and your money will not be refunded. Okay, so that is basically how you can cancel Rex flights. It's simple. Just head over to your manage booking page, enter in your booking reference, first name, last name, select the flight, select cancel your flight, follow the prompt, pay any cancellation fee if asked to, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.